Hi everyone and welcome back to the Notebook Learn channel, your home for mastering the IELTS exam with clarity and confidence. In today's video, we're going to break down one of the most important essay types in IELTS Writing Task 2, the balanced essay. This is the type of essay that shows you understand both sides of an argument and you can present a clear, informed opinion. It is essential for many questions that ask things like, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Discuss both views and give your opinion. So if you want to learn how to structure this type of essay, how to give a strong but balanced argument, and how to boost your score in task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammar, stay with me till the end. First, what do we mean by a balanced essay? A balanced essay means that you explore both sides of an issue fairly, even if you have a personal opinion. You don't simply say, I agree 100% or I disagree completely. Instead, you say something like, while I agree with some aspects of X, I believe Y is ultimately more convincing. You need a balanced essay when the question asks, discuss both views and give your opinion. Or, to what extent do you agree or disagree? And you partially agree. In other words, don't be extreme. IELTS rewards essays that show nuanced thinking. That means you understand complexity. Simply, don't write 5 reasons why you agree with one side and only 1 reason why you agree with the other side. Don't give 3 examples to prove your points of view, like, that's why I believe in that theory or trust X, and you should do that too. It's not a court and you are not a lawyer who needs to defend any side. This question is designed to examine your ability to show different points of view and discuss them fairly. My advice is to write 1 or 2 points on every side and give 1 example, and that's it. Please keep it simple and keep it easy to follow and understand. This way, you will guarantee a high score and you will have the chance to correct any mistakes and rewrite a whole paragraph if needed, with no problems and minimal time. And at the end of the exam, when you revise a simple structure, you will see how valuable that is. Let's take a quick sample question. Some people believe that professional workers, such as doctors and teachers, should be paid more than sports and entertainment personalities. To what extent do you agree or disagree? This is perfect for a balanced essay. You can say both sides have a valid point, but ultimately you support one side more than the other. Now let's go over the basic structure of a balanced essay one more time, as we studied this together in previous videos. But studying that again and again will help you ace it. So if you watched that before, stay here and don't skip it because you will learn new things too. You will typically use a 4-paragraph module. 1. Introduction. 2. Body paragraph 1. Opposing view. 3. Body paragraph 2. Your main view. 4. Conclusion. Here's what you need to include in each. Introduction. Paraphrase the question. Briefly mention both sides. Give a clear thesis showing your balanced position. Example. While some argue that celebrities earn too much money, others believe that professionals like doctors and teachers deserve higher pay. This essay will examine both views, but I believe that income should reflect the value of contribution to society. Body paragraph 1. Discuss the view you disagree with. Present the other side first to show balance. Use linking phrases like, On the one hand, some people argue that it is often claimed that. Body paragraph 2. Present your view. Then transition into your opinion. Use linking phrases like on the other hand, however, in contrast, I believe that. Now, conclusion. Summarize both sides and restate your final opinion. And please don't introduce new ideas. Let me show you a sample introduction for the earlier question. Some people believe that professional workers, such as doctors and teachers, should be paid more than sports and entertainment personalities. It is often argued that individuals working in essential sectors like healthcare and education should receive higher salaries than those in entertainment and sports. While celebrities undeniably attract public attention and generate revenue, I believe professionals who contribute directly to society's well-being deserve greater financial recognition. This introduction does 3 things. 1. Paraphrases the question. 2. Introduces both sides. And 3. Shows a clear opinion, but in a balanced way. Now here's the big question. How do you show balance? Use hedging language. Instead of saying X is wrong, say while X has its advantages. There is some merit in the view that, although it's true that, nonetheless, I acknowledge that. Despite these arguments, these signal to the examiner that you're not being one-sided. You're aware of complexity, and that's exactly what gets you a high band score in task response. Also, don't sit on the fence. Balance doesn't mean you're neutral. You still need to give a clear opinion, just in a measured way. Let's try 2 sample body paragraphs for our example question. Body paragraph 1, the other view. On the one hand, it can be argued that celebrities and athletes deserve their high earnings because they work in industries that generate significant revenue. For instance, top footballers and musicians often serve as global icons, attracting millions of fans and driving sales in advertising, merchandise, and ticketing. Their success is often short-lived and depends on peak physical performance, which adds pressure and risk to their careers. Now, body paragraph 2, your view. On the other hand, professionals like doctors, teachers, and scientists play a vital role in the development and well-being of society. Doctors save lives, teachers shape future generations, and scientists drive innovation. Despite this, they are often underpaid and overworked. I believe their long-term contribution to the social fabric justifies a higher income than that of entertainers whose influence is largely temporary and commercial. As you can see, we show respect for the other view, then we clearly express our main opinion. Both are supported with examples and logical reasoning. Here's a sample conclusion to wrap it all up. In conclusion, although celebrities earn large sums for their entertainment value, I believe that these essential services provided by professionals in education, medicine, and science should be more highly rewarded. Their impact on society is far more significant and lasting. Now, quick checklist before we end. So you need to use this checklist after you finish writing your essay, just to make sure that you have everything needed. Did you paraphrase the question in the introduction? Did you present both sides clearly? Did you state your opinion in a balanced but clear way? Did you support each paragraph with logical reasons and examples? Did you avoid extreme language and use hedging? If you said yes to all, you're on your way to a band 7 or higher. Now in the comments, tell me, what is the hardest part about writing a balanced essay for you? And if you want a free PDF with model balanced essays and vocabulary, check the description box below. I've linked some great resources for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Notebook Learn channel for more in-depth IELTS lessons. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.